Mm.
And say,
Where are you going?
And Zemo.
Yeah.
Us.
It's just upset my kitten.
She needs to pull over.
I'm taking off. He honked his horn behind me. Now we're speeding up. As we come around this corner here, he cuts me off. And now that after we get pulled over here, there's a few spots where I'm going to tell you about something. First off, he's blaming me for the accident because I was supposed to have been, I speeded up on him. But no, he cut me off. And when he told me that it's my fault, I called the cops. After they showed up, they talked to him for a few minutes. Then they looked at my video. They found him at fault. And I ain't heard anything from I turned it into my insurance, and I'm going to let them handle it. I gave them the video, gave them pictures of the bumper and of his pickup. He took a picture. The only picture he took was of my company emblem on the side of my door, which says Rocking K Construction. And that's the only picture he took. He didn't take a picture of my bumper or my fender. There's no damage. I asked for his insurance, and he says, well, it's your fault. It's all your fault. This is where he's telling me, this is your fault. It's all your fault. And it wasn't my fault. He cut me off, and that's the whole thing. Right now I'm waiting for the insurance to call back and tell me if there's if he's filing a claim or not. But you can see him walking away after I told him, I got a video of this. That's the walk of shame right there.
Milligrams, so you know, and eat half of that. You know what I'm saying, because I had somebody eat one yesterday. They was gone for 12 hours. They was gone. So yeah, got the Who's Wax gummies out here, and also I got the paintball fight, and I want to do the paintball wars, the podcast wars. So gotta get y'all teams up, gotta get y'all teams ready, and let's make it happen. Really big.
Fortunately, no. But here's something I'm going to add to that conversation. Do you remember when all the smart people said masks don't work because people fuss with them? All the smart people said that, right? They thought that phase 2 would be to become more socialist after they made a lot of money. So China's strategy is to use capitalism to make a bunch of money, and now they figure they're done. All the smart people said masks don't work because people fuss with them. All the smart people said that, right? They thought that phase 2 would be to become more socialist after they made a lot of money. So China's strategy is to use capitalism to make a bunch of money, and now they figure they've done it.
The lieutenant? Then how come none of them are the ones that got hit? You know, the targets are always next of kin, partners. You know, maybe she is trying to make people she's angry and hurt the way she got hurt when her father got shot. Not good. She's a sweet kid. Oh, boy. Did you know she was kicked out of the academy on a psychological 2 months ago? Luis would have told us that. Maybe he didn't know.
Yeah, it's like probably quite similar to capoeira. Oh my god, what is this Ford doing?
Whoa, gee, you can't do that?
No. Yeah.
I've never finished the movie, but I'd love to see it.
I've never seen the movie. Oh, dude.
Oh my god, Phil, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. We'll have to pull over somewhere, I guess.
I'll get you a tissue. Here, you clean yourself up.
Yeah, let me just get back to safer.
Yeah. How I'm gonna clean your car up. Not a good day.
Yeah. Oh well.
I've now seen the signs on the ground saying it's a single left turn lane. I'm in the left lane, turn signal on. It's a little icy out here, so I'm slowing down. You can see that a little bit of ice down there. There's ice in the intersection right there. I'm noticing all this, so I'm making sure I'm taking it nice and easy. Alright, watch that hood mirror. Not that car, but there's a burgundy pickup truck that pulls up behind it. There comes a truck. See, it's right there. We're going. Single left turn lane, remember. I'm watching my mirror. Here I am taking evasive action. There went the sign about right there. She's still in that right lane. She's trying. Alright. Now I'm going to pull up here just a little bit so I'm not blocking both lanes of traffic. And now they come around on my left side right there, I actually get out right here and point at her and start yelling at her to stop. There they go. And now I'm calling 911.